Here's my review of the shelf that holds the tools. I got the double. My only complaint is these last rows here. These are relatively weak, so if you want to hang a heavy tool, you have to rely on this square structure. These are solid. The middle is fairly solid, and the other side. But these will do okay for the drills. But if you have any heavy tools, I would not rely on these. One has already bent on me, and I bent it back. So just keep that in mind. Otherwise, it is okay value for the money, in my opinion. I haven't really shopped much around, but this will do the job. Hopefully, it lasts for years.
Good morning, everyone. This is my new tool rack. As you can see, it holds plenty. I put all my batteries and drills and cordless chargers on here. Keeps it all well organized, and it's pretty sturdy. So far I liked it, and it's easy to assemble, and all you need is an Allen key. I hope this helps you in any sort of way.